Okay, good afternoon my dear students. How are you all? Yes. So today we are going to start about important concept that we people are going to learn in the cost accounting, and that is all about the EOQ, that is economic order quantity. So dear students, let's learn what is EOQ, because as we all know that's a very important concept when it comes to the cost accounting, right? So before we go through this diagram, let's understand what the EOQ is. As you all know that order quantity, it's an economic order quantity, right? So whenever we have lots of options with us that at what quantity we people should order, then at that time lots of confusions can be created, because it might be possible that you are going to order so much, you are going to place an order too much, and you are not interested in placing an order of so much quantity, right? So all the time we would be having the confusions what to do and what not to do, right? So at that time this EOQ concept can help you a lot. This EOQ concept would let you know that at what time what quantity should be placed, so that the investment that you people are going to have in the stock, it should not be too much and it should not be too less. Okay. So for that, let's understand the EOQ concept with the help of this diagram, students. As you here you can see that on x-axis we have taken the units of EOQ. That means we can have the number of options, either this or this or this. You can put you can place an order of any of this quantity, and here we have the total cost. Total cost, when I talk about, either there can be ordering cost or there can be carrying cost, right? Because when it comes to the EOQ, students, always there would be the involvement of two types of cost. The first one would be OC. OC stands for ordering cost, and the second one would be CC. CC stands for carrying cost. Okay. So here as you can see that when it comes to the ordering cost, it continuously decreases along with the orders. You know, here the more and more units we people are going to order, the ordering cost will decrease, right? But when it comes to the carrying cost, as you can see that there is a direct relationship with it, with the the units that you are going to place and the carrying cost. The more units would be there, the more carrying cost would be there, right? Because the more number of units you people need to carry, you need to take care of them, right? So now here when there would be the confusion what kind of quantity we should place in order, then here you need to check it out that at what place the intersection is there, right? Here as you can see that the ordering cost and carrying cost is intersecting at this point, and this is the minimum cost where you should place an order. Just look at this. So somewhere between the quantity between the 250 and 500 would be your EOQ, that is economic order quantity, where both the cost, ordering cost and carrying cost, would be the minimum cost, right? And students, numerically if if sums are given to you, then you can solve that sums with the help of example, with the help of a formula, and that is under root 2AO by C. This is the formula for solving the sums under the EOQ method, where A stands for annual consumption, O stands for ordering cost, and C stands for carrying cost. So when it comes to the cost accounting, one of the important aspect as we people are learning today. So let's move to the numerical part as well, but not right now. In the next session later on we would be continuing with the numerical parts. By that time all of you please take care. Thank you so much.